The Kia K4 2025 is here to redefine the compact sedan segment with a perfect blend of style, technology, and performance. This new model brings a fresh design, advanced features, and a more refined driving experience. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a stylish family car, the Kia K4 is built to impress. Features: the Kia K4 offers a dynamic driving experience with a fuel-efficient yet powerful engine that provides smooth acceleration and excellent performance. The improved suspension system ensures a comfortable ride on both city streets and highways, with a spacious cabin and generous cargo space. This sedan is designed to accommodate both passengers and luggage with ease. Safety is a priority, featuring an advanced driver assistance system that includes lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The aerodynamic design not only enhances fuel efficiency but also provides a quieter ride. Exterior: the exterior of the Kia K4 is a statement of modern design and elegance, with a sleek profile and bold front grille. This sedan stands out on the road. The sharp LED headlights and taillights provide excellent visibility while adding a futuristic touch to its appearance. The sculpted body lines enhance aerodynamics, improving both efficiency and stability. The stylish alloy wheels and well-defined contours give it a sporty and sophisticated look, making it a head-turner in any setting. Interior: step inside the Kia K4, and you're welcomed by a refined and spacious cabin. Premium materials and soft touch surfaces create a luxurious feel, while the ergonomic seats provide exceptional comfort. The driver-focused cockpit features an intuitive layout, ensuring easy access to controls and infotainment functions. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making long journeys more enjoyable for passengers. With a well-insulated cabin, road noise is minimized, providing a quiet and relaxing ride. The smart storage compartments and foldable rear seats add to the practicality, making it easy to carry additional luggage when needed. Technology: the Kia K4 is packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance convenience and connectivity. The digital instrument cluster and high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system provide seamless access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Wireless smartphone integration allows easy access to apps and hands-free communication. The advanced climate control system maintains a comfortable temperature, while keyless entry and push-button start add a touch of modern convenience. A premium audio system delivers immersive sound, making every drive more enjoyable. Conclusion: the Kia K4 2025 is a well-rounded compact sedan that combines style, performance, and technology. With its modern design, comfortable interior, and advanced features, it is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish vehicle. Whether for city driving or long-distance travel, the Kia K4 delivers a refined and enjoyable experience for drivers and passengers alike.